Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by prepping the phone and pack. Remove thick or metal cases so the Magsafe magnets can seat properly, then center the pack on the back of your iPhone. Once attached, you'll feel a magnetic click. Make sure the connection sits flush. If your pack is low, plug it in briefly to reach about 20% because trickle behavior changes at very low charge. Keep Bluetooth off. This process uses power delivery and magnetic alignment, so you can skip wireless pairing steps. You now monitor and control the charging. Open Control Center or add the battery widget to see the pack and iPhone percentages. You'll know charging is active when the lightning bolt appears. Once done, make sure Optimized Charging is enabled in settings to limit full charge cycles overnight. If you need faster top-ups, keep the phone awake and avoid heavy apps because background load slows transfer. Remember that warmth affects speed. Remove from direct sun and avoid cases that trap heat. Finish by safely detaching and storing the pack. Slide it gently off the back rather than yanking, then place it on a flat, cool surface for storage. If charging fails, first ensure the magnets are centered and the pack itself has charge. Then check that your iPhone is updated. If problems persist, restart the phone and the pack and try resetting USB accessories in settings. One key tip: avoid using the pack while the phone is hot. Cooling often restores normal charging behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.